Guys, what's happening? Alex here, you can call me Opposite Anime. We're back to continue watching Chainsaw Man. Now guys, last episode I watched was episode 7. It's been like a few weeks since I've been able to record these episodes. I went back to the United States for a few weeks, went to go visit family, all that, but hey, I'm back here. I'm about to catch up on all these episodes I've been missing out on. I can't wait. I've been listening to the outro 1 and outro 3. I've had them on my Spotify playlist just repeating. I'm on the plane just like listening to it. I'm like, yeah, But yeah, so I'm excited to see what like these outros are bringing on. I got 3 new outros to watch. Actually, 4? I don't even know how far I'm behind. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're about to hop into it right now. Please throw a like on the video, put a comment down below if you do enjoy the content. Guys, please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and make sure you go and check out my Naruto Shippuden reaction series if you have not seen that yet as well. And guys, yeah, go over to the Patreon if you want to watch these in full-length unedited episodes. And with all that being said, let's hop into the episode. Nice show. Oh yeah, this was God, what's the Hiwakawa's partner's name? Hawakawa. She was like super drunk. Oh no, she brought Denji home. Okay. I be coming to my apartment like that sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. Moi-chan. However she says, I don't know. I also do that in my apartment. I'm like, who cares about being neat? Throw it all over the place instead. Dude, the animation's wild. I mean, I'm sitting here like, I'm just watching the show, but like, it's like when you start to like see little details and you start thinking to yourself like, man, they really like paid attention to something like that, you know? Some of that food in there looks pretty damn good. See, that's something I have never done, though. If I come home drunk, I ain't drinking more, dog. What did Makima do? And at this point, did she, like, completely forget she brought him in? Made me really feel like I was drinking a beer. God, that's so cringy. Denji-kun. You sure did, right over your shoulder. A little strong.
Oh yeah, Kimi. Makima-san no koto ra.
I love how it's like, I don't know, this show just like portrays like how like normal people act. I say normal, but you know what I mean. It's like actual human behavior. Dude, the animation's crazy. Same intro. Oh, Denji. Rearrange the furniture.
Banzai.
He don't know what to do. Nah.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, it cracks me up. This show's gonna get me banned from YouTube. I'm telling you. I don't even know if I should post this. Chupa Chups? Oh, Sakura? Did she put that there? No. Because you could tell he looked like just as shocked that it was there. She cares. Well, actually, I don't know if she cares, but at least she's like, push him in the right direction. She has a sucker in her mouth right now. Dude,
で沼でいろんな初めての味を体験する思い出してる暇なんてないよ。ファースト関節キスは
I know. I think I know. That's right. Just let her fall asleep. Let her forget you're even there. Just go.
お前もエッチしたかったろ。初めてはマキマさんがいいんだ。
Good for you.
ぶっ殺すまで。それまでは。
But why was that in his pants? Oh, it was in his pocket.
エンジ君、おはよう。朝ごはん食べ。
Well, at least she's not being like pushy about it.
だから食う飯はうめえな。
デンジ君、夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、乱暴なことされなかった。
You tried.
俺は初めてはマキマ。
Though she gonna get jealous over that.
よかったよかった。未成年に手出したら大。
Yeah, dude, honest, you gotta think. If the situation was reversed, that would be.
時間は変わってるね。状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。
飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ。
That's right. He don't turn down free food.
いや、デンジ君もマキマさん好き。
超好き。
例えばがクソで好き。
クソ好き。
I super like her.
よし、デンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
マジ？
私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。つける協力するからさ。私とアキ君。
I remember watching a show. Not, I didn't like watch it, but my wife was watching a show like this. I don't know if anyone's ever seen it. I forget what it's called. It's I know one of the girl. It's an anime, and the girl, her name was Taiga. That's all I remember. I don't remember the name of it or anything. But my wife used to watch it, and I remember watching an episode with her one day. And it was like two friends just like this. And they're like, all right, you're going to help me get with such and such, and I'm going to help you get with such and such. Like, I don't know. That just kind of reminded me of that vibe right there. If any of you guys know, like, what anime that is, you could, like, let me know in the comments. I'll check the comments on this video, just this video, and see if anyone, like, remembers the name. Because it's kind of bugging me right now. I'm trying to remember it. I don't think it's, like, the kind of anime I would react to on this channel, though. Wouldn't it be easier for you to go over to their place?
マキマさんも来ないかな。
Doubt it. Well, who knows? Man, this train ain't like all the trains I ride over here. I don't know why, but somehow I always get stuck on the seat that's like facing backwards when you're traveling. Like the train's always moving this way. It drives me nuts. You know, is she thinking about Denji? Man, why is the train so loud? You know? What was that? No! What the fuck was that? Okay. That was so unexpected. I hope it's like some Naruto shit where like we see something like that happen and we're like, oh, and then they come back. Like, dude, I just watched Kakashi die up against Pain, and then I kept on watching, and then, you know, after the whole fight and everything, and Nagato did that thing that brought everyone back to life, and then Kakashi's back. So like, I am hoping on everything that it is the same case with her. She's in my YouTube banner, bro. Like, she better not be like some like 7-episode character and then gone forever. Cause that's just gonna be embarrassing to have it up there in my banner. But, all right, let's keep going. Oh man, can I do substitution jutsu in this show? Chills. I'm so glad I don't like look at spoilers for anything, because if I saw that beforehand, I would have been so mad at myself. Bro, what's going on? No. Dude, what is going on?
なあ、意外と紳士なんだよ。で、
このラーメンよく食えるな。
And that's someone that's gonna want to shoot them.
誰？
俺は普通に
足に気安く話しかけるな。
違うわからないんだな。まあ仕方ないことだ。時に同じような味のもんしか食べてないと赤字になるらしい。バカだと幸福度が下がる。
わし幸福じゃ。
俺のじいちゃんは
I'd be like, bro, who are you talking to?
食わせてもらう。じいちゃんヤクザだったけど正義の役弱くっていうのかな。じいちゃんこんな子供も数えるほどしか殺したこと。
Everyone else is just eating, but he's
約
Digi can't help it.
もん何でもないに好かれた江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。デンジ、
ああ
お前も好きだったろ。
何のつもりだ。知り合いか。
今はてめえの心臓が
Go! Oh, that was sick, bro. Oh my god. But hasn't he gotten hurt before like that? No, but she.
私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。でもあくまで
What was it? Dude, he's just like Denji, but with swords. What is he, the sword devil or something? Yes. Oh, he took the sword out. I just noticed. Oh. Is that the sword? His sword that's talking? 1. But that shortens his lifespan, doesn't it? Okay. So he's not human, he's not devil. What is he?
見せた方がいいの。
銃を使って嫌がっては警察と手ビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。
悪魔はてめえの心臓が
Yes, so where's...
呪いの悪魔。釘を何回か刺したら死ぬ。
Who's that?
いい動きだったね。
どこから来た。そいつの仲間か。
どうして負けた。
油断した。マジで油断。
さっさと殺して。
Denji, come on. Oh, he's fast. No! This isn't real life.
まだ生きてるぞ。スーツは頑丈だからな。とどめを刺して。
私はいいから。アキ君を
Use your ghost.
ゴースト。
あの女
What is she? I bet she has some cool name like the Death Devil or something. She can bring people back to life.
私の全部をあげるから。ぶっ使わせて。
She's giving away her life?
アキ君は泣くことができる。身近な死に慣れすぎて涙が出なくなる。アキ君はすぐ泣く。だ新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白い。
What is Denji doing? Where is he? I know he ain't out after just.
嬉しいだろうな。
But you better make sure you get that girl. She just put her hand up. Oh my god.
死なないでね。死んだ時さ泣いてほしいから。
丸飲み。
Snake. Who? Oh my god. Hold on, before I listen to this outro, holy shit. Dude, like the entire second half of this episode was absolutely insane. This episode just made me fall in love with this show. Like I loved it. I started to like it, I loved it, but now I am in love with this show. Dude, that was insane. But I'm gonna go back like 10 seconds. I'm gonna react to this outro for the guys in the Patreon real quick. Give me one moment. Dude, insane. This was a good episode, bro. I'm so impressed. I don't know if you saw. I think that was like the hardest reaction I've ever had to something, is when those guys with the guns, like, they went away, like they all like went down, and I was like, what's going on? Like what's happening right now? There's 4 guys, you know. But then like, right in the Makima's chest. It's got to make you think, would the show really kill off all those people just like that? Now, please, do not spoil anything in the comments. Anyone that's read the manga or anything like that, I don't want to know. I'll just keep watching. But I'm actually kind of glad that I went on vacation for a couple weeks, because now coming back, I'm going to be able to binge the next couple of episodes. Instead of, if I watched this when it first came out and then I had to wait a week, I'd be like, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Please throw a like on the video if you did enjoy this content. Put a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this episode. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of these other videos, guys. And if you do want to watch these in full-length episodes, come like watch them with me in real time. None of this blurred background or anything. Make sure you check out that link down in the description. That is going to take you to my Patreon page. I do post these episodes full-length, uncut. It's going to be awesome. But anyways, guys, yeah, I appreciate you stopping by to watch content, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.